Hey guys, this is Michael Mongelli from MarineMax in Sarasota, standing aboard brand new 2024 380 Realm from Boston Whaler. This boat features white V12 600 motors, a lot of horsepower for a boat of this size. As you move forward into the boat, you're going to see a lot of comfortable seating in the back here. This features the Tidal Gray upholstery with a flip down seat, easily stows. On the back of that seat, you're going to see the ladder that hooks up very easily to the dive door here on the port side. Fish boxes on both sides for fishing needs. Teak accented seats, rear facing seat or forward. Nice comfortable seating, as you can see. Sure shade extends over this aft seating, protects you from the sun. Also here under the seat, want to point out this cooler box. Easily loads if you pull it up this way, and you can grab from it right here. Moving forward, you're going to see the summer kitchen area, electric grill, refrigerator, freshwater sink, and some nice storage here as well. Here's your seat that faces forward. And in this cockpit area, it features climate control. So you can have heat, air conditioning, and enclose this entire area. The enclosures will store up here overhead, easily stowed, easily protected. Beautiful layout here at the helm. Triple screen Simrads, joystick control, spotlight. And you can see the wood grain accents really makes this boat pop. Bolstered seating at the helm and a companion seat here as well, so you can stand or sit. Boat also features gyro Seakeeper, so ultra stabilization out on the water. Moving forward into the helm, which you'll see is loaded with some things right now, but you're going to see nice storage capabilities, nice overhead storage, fresh water, refrigerator. And you can see that area there, which is now has the covers in there. You can make that into a bed or seating area. Nice room. As you see the head here, also makes as a shower as well. So a lot of space, a lot of comfortability. Substantial door on the 38 Realm. Locks in place here, gives you full security, especially for those offshore runs. And as you can see here at the bow, cup holders fold down on both sides. Stereo control. Beautiful table here that lowers, and you can cover that with a cushion. Some rod holders up in front, and your windlass as well. So this boat features a lot, and this particular boat is platinum gray hull, as you'll see. And if you have any questions here, visit us at MarineMax Sarasota. Again, this is Michael Mongelli. Hope to see you soon.